keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hey Colorado Springs, I've got another dazzling segment for you today with Revolution Jewelry Works. I'm your host, Lauren Nicole, and I'm joined today in studio with the owner of RJW, Jen Farnes. Welcome back in, Jen.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
I'm excited to talk about this today because I've been a fan of lab-grown diamonds for a long time for ethical reasons, but we're talking about lab-grown versus natural diamonds today. Can you talk to us about the difference?
So on a molecular level, there is no difference. A lab-grown diamond and a natural diamond on that molecular scale are very identical, and the difference being just how they're formed. You know, we've got millions of years of Earth's mantle and pressure and temperature and all of those things creating natural diamonds. And then with lab-growns, we have taken that to this whole new scientific situation where they are grown in a lab under the same types of circumstances, just not with all of the environmental repercussions.
Fair enough. Just out of my own curiosity, like how big can we grow them in a lab?
I mean, we've sold an 8-carat lab grown, but I know that there's, oh yeah, I mean,
Wow.
you can go, the sky is the limit as far as size goes, as long as the centrifusion, machines can actually house them for their size. But the really cool thing about lab growns and naturals is any gemologist can't tell the difference between the two, to the point that I actually had to buy a diamond scanning machine for our studio to be able to identify naturals versus lab growns.
Well, that's really interesting because I think like if it sparkles, that's what's important to me, right? You know, I don't know that I have the eye or the magnifying glass to get down into it, but it's interesting that even from the gemologist's perspective,
you can't see it.
Oh my gosh. So what does that mean to our pocketbook?
Yeah, so we're finding that a lot of couples that are getting engaged nowadays are really leaning towards lab grown. Lab grown diamonds cost about 30% the price of naturals. So when we're talking about a 1-carat diamond, well, you can get a 1-carat natural that's high quality for around $10,000, but you can get a 1-carat lab grown that is around $1,000. And same quality, same characteristics, everything about them is the same except for where they came from.
Wow.
And the thing that we also really love about it is the hardness scale. So when you talk about durability and longevity in jewelry, lab-grown diamonds are going to last just as long as naturals are.
Okay, well, which would be necessarily like a better investment for us?
Haha, that's always the trick question. We tell people there's not a jeweler out there that is an investment advisor. You should only buy jewelry because you love it, buy it like art. But with investing in jewelry in general, it's not an investment. Just buy it, wear it, love it, and don't expect to turn around and ever sell it for a profit.
Well, I think the interesting thing is also like I buy it and want to be able to hand it down. And I know you guys can also do incredible things with hand-me-down pieces as well.
Yeah.
So whether we're looking for a new diamond, lab-grown or natural, or to hand it down into something new, I feel like you've got me covered.
Yeah, 100%. And we do all of our work in studio.
Amazing. Where can we find you guys? Because I also love watching you guys do these things behind the scenes.
We're at Stetson Hills and Powers, just north of the big Firestone, and we're there Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 9 to 4.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for telling me more all about these things. I feel like the technology has gotten more advanced. We're seeing more and more of these lab-grown diamonds, which is never a bad thing to have more options. In my eyes, bigger rocks, right?
I love it, especially for like diamond studs.
Yeah.
Go, yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much. If you guys are looking for a new piece, make sure you check out RJW. Thanks so much for being here, Jen.
Thank you.